morning, guys. Clearly I'm in the passenger seat today because sometimes I just want to be a passenger princess, and yes, even in my own car. Okay, no judgments. I know probably you ladies and gents out there probably do that too. It's Sunday. I have a 3-day weekend. I haven't really been vlogging much just because I don't know, nothing really exciting's been happening. I don't know. I just haven't been vlogging, to be honest. This has been like an extra long break from YouTube that I was not intending for whatsoever. I did get Starbucks this morning. I got 2 drinks extra, and I haven't had Starbucks in a while, and I have a pretty good amount of money on my Starbucks account right now from Christmas and all the gift cards, which again, thank you, very much appreciated. So I got a venti iced brown sugar shaken espresso, espresso, I don't care how you say that, light ice, blonde espresso, whatever, egg espresso. If you know, you know. Triple and 1 pump of white mocha, and I haven't had this in a minute, so this is going to have me wired today, which is nice. Of course, I got my usual venti acai refresher light ice with no strawberries because I hate getting the strawberries in it. Fun fact, they just get stuck when I'm trying to drink it. Same with the ice too, but you know, you pick and you lose some. Yesterday we didn't really do anything. Today we're not really doing much. I'm feeling cramped, ladies. If you know, you know. I'm going to attempt again to try and edit this video, which is a haul. I've been trying to get up literally for like the last 3-4 days, and it's been really frustrating. I've noticed that if I leave my computer on and I don't shut it down after I'm done using it for the day, it starts to give me issues. And I get, because it's in sleep mode and whatever, and it's like it's on but it's not on, you know what I mean? I get that, but it's just been really frustrating. I did a poll on my Instagram too. I was like, guys, what should I do? Should I even bother buying another hard drive for it? Or should I just get a whole new computer? I've officially had my computer, well actually it won't be until like technically the summer, but I've had it for 7 years. I've had this MacBook for a long time. So all of you guys are like, just get a new MacBook and stop complaining about it. No one actually said that, but I bet that's what you're probably thinking. Girl's gonna be getting a new computer, but until then, we are gonna be struggle busing it for now. Tomorrow I'm off because it's Martin Luther King Day. Yeah, one of the benefits of working in a school. I can have more time off and get paid for it. It's gonna be another day at home. I'm a mess. I have to wash my hair. Guys, look at my roots. And they're only going to get worse because my appointment's not till the end of February. And it is January. And I have this. Can't imagine what it's going to look like on the 20th because I do have 2 days off in February for February vacation, but it's really just an extra long weekend. Hope you guys are all having a good day. I just kind of hope that my period does come because I'm tired of, if you know, you know. Feeling before you get your period, ladies, is the worst. Hi guys. So I just got done oiling my hair. Also peep the phone case. We're finally using our Bratz one. We also have a link if you want to check it out. It'll be in the description, but other than that, obsessed. Definitely have to say, like, I don't even think it's like any phone case company's fault. I don't think it's anyone's fault. There's something about this phone, maybe from any of you have like the 12 or the 13, let me know if you've had this problem kind of too. It doesn't matter what phone case is on my phone, it is so difficult to take off. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just the shape of it because it's more of a square shape. It's more of like an iPhone 4 or 5 vibe. It's a little annoying, I'm not gonna lie. I did just get done putting, wow, look at how it just changed subject so quickly. I look really white right now. I did just get done putting some of this castor oil in my hair. I don't know if it's making a difference, but clearly we could see that my roots are really crazy. So if Kaylee, if you're watching this, I'm looking all the time for an earlier appointment than February 20th. This is where we're at right now. What we're dealing with for the next month, which is fine. Part of me always like wonders if I should go like honey blonde or to like put some dark lights in my hair, but I know deep down like I would be so miserable if I did that. Like I would probably love it for like a week and then I would just be like done with it. What we're working with right now, kind of cleaning out my closet. I have some stuff I still have to go through, but it looks, you guys, once I show you guys my closet, it's so crazy. Like I'm not even kidding. Doesn't even look like my closet. I cleaned out so much that I don't need anymore. Holy crap. Like, and you be like, who? Sam who? Who is this? Who is this? I don't even know. I will hopefully show you guys that maybe in a few weeks. I don't know. I want to make sure I'm like completely done with cleaning everything out as much as I can before I like show you guys. I'm very proud of myself. That's a first for me. I usually am like, oh, but I want to use it, so I'll keep it. No, like straight up, like I haven't used this, it's gone. I haven't used it, it's gone. 2023, we are not keeping things that are no longer serving us. That includes clothes, materials, people, lifestyles, developing new habits, being happier, and worrying about ourselves. Hi guys, as usual, I forgot to vlog going out with my mom and doing my errands, but I have a grocery haul, so hopefully you're not that mad at me. And I'm still wearing my jacket and everything because I want to take some Instagram pictures today because I've been really slacking and I've just been taking a lot of mirror pictures. So that's what we're gonna do, specifically in this outfit because I'm actually wearing one of my jumpsuit things here. The only annoying thing is my underwear. One of the ones from Amazon. I have it linked in my storefront if you guys want to go check it out. I did do my hair last night and blow dried it, but you wouldn't be able to tell that now because it's just mess. Walmart, went to Aldi, so this is everything that I got, including the unnecessary things, which I did get a few unnecessary things, but I've been so tired this morning and drained, so there's that. From Aldi's, I got some more eggs because I don't know if the ones we have are expired and I don't know how many are left. I got some burger patties to make burgers. I'm not vegan, I'm not vegetarian, I am just normal, and this is what I like. I like how I say normal. Someone's gonna come for me for that. Oh my gosh, how could you say that? Bananas, they will ripen up. They will ripen up. Don't no one come for me. Well, I never realized this. There's so many people that are like picky about like certain foods. They buy like bananas and bread and eggs, and I just check it and then I'm good to go. Like, I don't know why you gotta be so damn picky. But salad. This is a Caesar chopped salad kit. I prefer the Target ones. For some reason, their Caesar just dressing tastes a lot better to me. We went to Aldi's, so that's what I got. Never got these before. These are these hot stickers, which are just dumplings. Never had these. I got some chicken ones and some pork ones, something different because we always get the orange chicken ones. I don't want something different that's not just the orange chicken meals. So we're gonna try those out. A ton of cheese. We got some cubed ones I could take to work with me. I'm kind of over my snack packs right now. And then I got sharp cheddar and more medium cheddar. They don't have American cheese at Aldi's, and they only have the Kraft one at Walmart, and I don't like the Kraft one. Not one of those girls. I'm a LOL chiz kind of girl. We're gonna try to make a really good grilled cheese with sharp cheddar and medium cheddar. So that's why I got those. They were back in stock with their chocolate hummus, so I got 2 chocolate hummuses. I got some Hearts cookies for Valentine's Day. Got another thing of syrup because we're almost done with our syrup. This is also random, but I got this no contact thermometer because I have a normal thermometer, but half the time when David feels sick, he won't let me take his temp, so I think this is just a good alternative, and for when we have kids and stuff. And I think my mom has this. I don't know. She said that my grandpa gave it to his chiropractor. I have no idea. Don't ask. Food. I just realized I have no idea where I'm going to fit all this. Okay. I got a lot of junk because I was tired. Junk slash, this is just like easy meals for me. Like these days I can't be bothered. I don't know. But I got some more Uncrustables. These are easy. Throw in my lunch. Corn dogs. I said I wouldn't do it, but I only buy these mostly when I have days off. So I got this. These are different. I got some chicken taquitos. I've only had the ones from Taco Bell. Never had frozen. So I'm excited to try those out. I got some Hershey's chocolate hearts, but they're in my purse because I started eating them because the girl is close to getting her period and I am just not with it today. I got this gigantic bag of blow pops because I was craving blow pops. I got some watermelon Haribo. I can't say the name of these, but I love these. Amazing. I actually think I like those better than Sour Patch. Don't quote me. I thought these were, oh, I messed up here. So, okay, well, they're individually wrapped, so that's good. These Stuffed Pups, Love Puffs, they are marshmallows with milk chocolate inside them. I thought it was just like a regular bag of marshmallows with chocolate in them for like hot chocolate, but no, they're Valentine's. I did not know that. Whatever. Now we have individually wrapped marshmallows, whatever. And then I got 2 bags of these Southern breast tenderloins because David loves these. I think these are like his favorite frozen ones that I buy because he's not a crispy chicken person. This was another impending period craving. Pizza Pringles, love them, I don't care. And then I got this for Valentine's Day as well, brownie mix. And then I got another thing of coffee because you can never go wrong, and I don't know if we have any more coffee. Now on to some of them fun things. I got a new loofah. I've been calling these scrunchies since I was a kid. That's what my mom calls them because the Ecobee scrunchie, no, the Eco Tools loofah that I bought, half of it's like soft and half of it's hard, and I think the hard side is just really too much on my skin because I've been getting like cuts, weird dry patches, burning a little bit when I use it, so I just got a different one. I got these clips. I probably could have got these cheaper on Amazon. I was in the store just to start keeping my hair on my face so that, oh, I don't know, maybe this doesn't happen, this like kinking. I can't stand it. It's driving me absolutely crazy right now. And then I got this concealer to contour with. This is in walnut, so no one come for me. People are apparently using concealer for contouring now, so I just wanted to try it because I just threw away my old putty bronzer. I was gonna try and use it. She was smelling a little funky. And then finally, one thing I did not need that I caved and I am acknowledging in this vlog, I got a couple All's Well candles. They were on an end cap. They smell really good. This one smells like the Love DW candle that I have that's pink because I haven't gone to TJ Maxx in a while, so this just smells really good. And then this one's Calm, which smells absolutely amazing. It's coconut, citrus, and amber. I didn't get to say this one. The glow is vanilla, pear, and coconut. I don't know why. I don't know. I have so many candles. I'm actually in the process of trying to, y'all are gonna like be like, what? But getting rid of my Bath & Body Works candles. Hearing that they have toxins in them that cause, but I feel like any candle has toxins in it, you know, unless it's like organic and like has like soy wax, and I don't know if these do. I don't know. I'm like very like up and down with the whole Bath and Body Works candle and body stuff situation, because like when the body stuff thing came out, I was like, okay, I'm not gonna use it anymore. I don't know, my tastes have just changed as I've gotten older. I've just noticed that with the Bath and Body Works candles compared to like ones I get from TJ Maxx, or I mean, I don't know about these yet, but just especially comparable to sand and fog candles or my DW home candles, they get stronger like as time goes on with 20 to 30 minutes, and then you can smell it and you're like, okay, that's fine. The Bath and Body Works ones are just like so strong now that they just give me a headache and they're awful, and I can't take the scent after like an hour. So I'm choosing to get rid of my Bath and Body Works ones, and I'm not really burning candles like I used to. Hi guys. So I just got home from work. Clearly I'm in like work attire here. I feel like nothing in this vlog has been productive. It's just been me going to the store showing you what I bought. Awful. Samantha. I did get some things. Some of this is random AF, and then one of these things is actually for an upcoming video that I'm gonna do, which I'm really excited about, and I might turn it into a TikTok, because if you are not new here, oh my god, can't talk ever. Why? I'm dead. At the end of the day at work, I'm just dead. But anyway, if you are not an OG, then you have no idea, but I used to be one of the Victoria's Secret pink addicts. I used to be addicted to it on Instagram. I was part of a community. It was a whole thing back in the day. I want to say 2014 to 2015 was like really when like it was hype for me. I think after that, like my love of pink just kind of slowly faded over time because their clothing sucked, the quality went down. They did come out with the Pink Originals collection, which I'm so excited about because that was originally what I fell in love with about Victoria's Secret pink to begin with when it first came out in 2004. So we are going to be trying it all on for a video, and I'm going to give you guys the real tea if the quality is there, if it's worth the money, if it's absolutely not. $10 off DoorDash, hell yeah, we will be using that, me and my mom. And a reward card. Oh my gosh, you guys remember when they used to be a surprise? Like literally that was my prime. These secret reward cards that were like not falling off the paper apparently. So I don't know if I'll end up using this, but that's nice. I have an Amazon package. I ordered some random things off Amazon that I needed, so I don't think this is anything that exciting. I did get an SD card reader for my iPhone, so that already came, but we got some more tea. This is my favorite tea of all time. This is the ZEZAM Sweet Cinnamon Chai Tea. I love these when I'm sick and I'm running out, so I just bought a couple more boxes. I ordered, if you're here, you know how I open things with weird objects. I got the entire Native Candy Shop collection, including body washes and deodorants. So this is the one body wash I didn't have, which is the gummy bear one. What happened to you only buying things you needed? Well, when it's things that you really want, yes, and I will get put to use because it's body wash and deodorant. Okay, and last but not least, this I'm really excited about, and I guess not really toot my own horn. I want to give a huge shout out to my family, part of my family, my cousins. I never really fully talked about this on my channel before, but I will just say briefly, and I don't want to like step on any toes or anything like that. My cousins have carried on from my understanding, so if any of them are watching this, feel free to jump in the comments and correct me. My uncle came up with this concept. It is called the trunk trapper, and you guys have probably seen me share it on my Instagram story a few times and give you guys a link to them and shouted them out, because this idea for this came from my uncle, which is some of the only family on my biological dad's side that reached out to me after he passed away, and it was a whole thing. If you were here, you know. Obviously, my uncle did end up passing away a few years ago. Now, really? Has it been? Oh my god. Truly, like, I can totally understand, because obviously I've lost a dad twice, and I have to joke about it to make myself feel better. That's how I deal with it. No, but of course I understand, and I've already, you know, said my piece to them, that I am here and all that, but you know, just I understand. Like, the worst thing honestly you can say to a grieving person is, at least they're in a better place, everything will be okay, it gets better. No, the f it won't. No, the f it won't, because they're not here anymore. So anyways, besides my rambling, they're carrying on his legacy, because I believe this was his idea, if I remember correctly, and they are a small business, and I highly recommend you guys check them out if you have a car, if you go to the beach, if you go snowboarding, if you know, need organization for your trunk of your car. Highly recommend. They come in 4 different colors, and I believe they're still on sale right now for $24.99. I'll put the link in my description for you guys to go check them out, literally as family, because first of all, I love the idea of this, and second of all, I love that cousins are carrying on. And I don't know if my aunt is too, but I know my cousins are, his legacy. So this is really awesome to see. Oh my gosh. Really awesome to see this. So I'm really, really excited. Oh, I'm gonna cry. We included a free blue trunk trapper for your husband, sister, or mom, whomever you'd like to share it with. My heart. Thank you guys. If you're watching this, thank you so much. So I ordered the black one to go with my bean. So I'm going to put her in the trunk because my trunk is already looking like crazy. But oh my God, this is amazing. And like logoed and everything. Oh my God, my heart. I'm going to cry. I'm going to cry. Why am I crying over this? Because I am. Just need to organize your trunk. It literally stores everything in it, which I'm super, super excited about. I would give this to my husband, but right now he does not have a vehicle. That's another story for another vlog. I just want to say to my cousins, first of all, thank you guys so much for sending me a second one. You did not have to do that. I do want to say that yes, I did buy this with my own money. They did not send this one to me for free, but they did give me a free one. So thank you guys so much for sending me this. I really do appreciate it so much. I highly recommend you guys check them out. I'll have the link in the description. I'll have it in the comments. And again, if my cousins, Priscilla, Stephanie, you want to chime in the comments, give my subbies more info or correct me if I was wrong on anything, please definitely do so. So that was everything. I think that's it for this vlog. I've really just done terrible vlogging. I just really need to get back into it. And I will, yes, be getting a new computer. Stay tuned for that. I will be getting a new computer. It's time. It's been 7 years. More or less, I love you guys. And thank you for watching me and supporting me and being there. And I need to go do my movement. That's what I'm calling it. I'm calling it movement instead of working out so that it's more appealing for me to do. Get this off because I hate that I have to dress professional for these 2 days. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next vlog / video, whatever it is. Bye.